Hello, and I'm back with another update. And so, right now, we have Hurricane Lane in the Pacific. And as you can tell, the cone has it going very close to Hawaii, possibly even hitting it. But this time, it's more to the western islands. So, the biggest threat would be on, let's see, this would be Kauai, Oahu, and what is this one? Niihau. So yeah, that is where the biggest threat is, but it could come over this way, but probably not. It'll be probably staying to the south, but it'll be a lot closer than Hector was like all the way down here, and it just kept going straight to the western Pacific. But this one is going to make a turn to the north because of a trough off to the west here that will be pulling it up to Hawaii. And I'm guessing there's also a high pressure over here as well. It will be helping to pull it a bit further to the north. And this storm has been going on for quite some time. I believe it is category 4. It doesn't say. Oh, this must be something else. Okay. Yes, it is category 4, 130. And it was a category, it hit category 4 earlier today. It had been a category 4 around August 18th. So it kind of went down to a 3 again, but now it's back up to a 4. And this one's been going for quite some time. Started all the way back here near Mexico and Central America around August 10th. And it became a storm on the 15th. So it rapidly increased around here. It became a hurricane on the 17th, just a few days ago. And it went up to a category 4 like the next day. So it rapidly increased there. And it looks like it's gonna rapidly weaken when it heads into Hawaii. It'll still be a major hurricane for quite some time, being a category 4 until about here when it becomes a 3. And then, actually, no, it'll still be a 3 here too. And then it'll be a 2 there, and a 1 here. And then it'll be a tropical storm when it's on its closest pass by the islands. And again, this is just, the cone is just where the winds and the center of the storm may go. The rain will be out across all the islands. Let's look at the satellite. Let's see, where is that? Satellite. As you can see, it is a very large storm. So, even if it stays down here or here, there'll still be clouds and rain across all of Hawaii. Whereas Hector stayed like way down here. This one will be a lot closer. And certainly there's going to be a lot of waves as well on the south-facing beaches. So there'll be probably a lot of surfing going on. Looks like the only place that isn't in this wind cone is this area of the Big Island. So that'll probably be the place with the least impacts. And the most will be around Oahu and Kauai. And Oahu has a lot of people on it because that's where Honolulu is, which is the main city. And a lot of people live there. So that's potentially a pretty big threat. I would say mainly it'll be the rain, but there will be some wind impacts and maybe some storm surge if the center is close enough. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this update. And if you're in Hawaii, then if you're in Hawaii, just be aware because this storm will be pretty strong. There's potentially larger impacts than what Hector bring. I won't be able to do an update closer to it when it's affecting Hawaii, because I'll be busy with other things. But I believe it'll be closest around, let's see, that looks like Friday into Saturday. So I may be able to do another update when it's close by, but currently it looks like it's later this week. So I'll have to see what this brings. But either way, there's going to be some impacts on Hawaii. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.